Imagine a cosmic symphony, an orchestra unlike any other, where stars, planets, and moons move in perfect harmony across the vastness of space. Yet within this grand performance lies one section that has baffled astronomers for centuries: exoplanets. These aren't just distant spheres of rock or gas. They are entire worlds that exist beyond our solar system, tucked away deep within the Milky Way. Among the countless celestial bodies in our galaxy, there is one exoplanet so hauntingly similar to Earth, so eerily familiar yet mystifying that it might well be considered our planet's cosmic twin. This is the strange and fascinating world of Proxima B, located just 4.2 light years away. As we journey through the astronomical canvas of our galaxy, it's staggering to realize that the Milky Way could host more than a quadrillion exoplanets. That's a 1 followed by 15 zeros. To put that into perspective, if each of those planets were the size of a grain of sand, we wouldn't just fill the Grand Canyon, we'd create a second geological monument, another canyon stretching for miles long. Even more astonishing, around 20% of these planets are believed to be Earth-like, sharing similar geological and atmospheric conditions. That means there's roughly a 1 in 5 chance that another Earth exists out there, and with them may come a matching number of moons, rocky satellites dancing around their host planets, just like our own moon. If the idea of discovering a new home for life or even existing life elsewhere thrills you, the cosmos certainly does not disappoint. We are standing on the edge of endless possibilities. To navigate and study this cosmic ocean, we turn to an extraordinary instrument, the James Webb Space Telescope. Think of it not just as a telescope, but as a master artist wielding a brush, painting the universe with clarity we've never seen before. While its predecessor, the Hubble telescope, was groundbreaking, Webb is a generational leap forward. Its 6.5-meter primary mirror is 2.7 times larger than Hubble's, allowing it to detect even the faintest starlight from galaxies billions of light years away and to uncover hidden details about the planets that orbit those stars. But Webb does more than just observe. It's a cosmic laboratory, equipped with infrared sensors and advanced spectrographs that don't merely take images, they decode light. By analyzing the way celestial objects absorb and emit light, scientists can determine a planet's atmospheric composition, temperature, pressure, and even its mass. In other words, it can detect water, organic compounds, and even the presence of oxygen, all potential indicators of life. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. If Hubble gave us a glimpse into the unknown, Webb lets us analyze it, understand it, and possibly even find ourselves within it. Now, let's return to one of the most intriguing worlds ever discovered, Proxima B. Since its identification in 2016, it has captivated scientists and astrobiologists alike. Why the fascination? For starters, it lies practically next door in cosmic terms, just 4.2 light years away. To visualize that, if you could travel at the speed of light, you'd get there in just over 4 years, the length of a presidential term or the lifespan of a long-running TV series, considering that the observable universe stretches over 93 billion light years across. Finding a potentially habitable planet this close is like discovering a diamond in a mountain of rubble, a diamond that might just hold secrets about the origins of life itself. Proxima B is especially exciting because it orbits in what astronomers call the habitable zone, a region around its star where conditions could allow liquid water to exist. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. Imagine flowing rivers, cascading waterfalls, vast lakes, or even entire oceans with depths rivaling the Mariana Trench. But before we get carried away with visions of alien beaches, let's consider the quirks of this exoplanet. A single day on Proxima B lasts about 11 Earth days. Sunrises and sunsets would unfold slowly, stretching golden hours into what photographers might consider a dream. But this drawn-out rotation has serious implications. How would human biology respond to such long days and nights? Would we sleep the same way? Would we eat more frequently within that extended day? Our entire rhythm of life could be thrown off, making this world both familiar and deeply foreign, like a riddle wrapped in a paradox. So, how do we uncover so much about a place we've never visited? Again, we turn to Webb, acting like a cosmic Swiss Army knife. This space observatory allows scientists to conduct what's essentially a remote biopsy of distant planets. Through its spectral analysis, each element or compound in a planet's atmosphere reveals itself by absorbing and emitting light at specific wavelengths. By reading these signatures, astronomers can deduce the presence of water vapor, carbon-based molecules, or oxygenal key components for life. This is no longer just astronomy, it's space forensics. We're not passively waiting for clues, we're actively uncovering them, one atom at a time. The Webb Telescope is more than an eye in the sky. It's a research lab, a forensic unit, and a detective all rolled into one, but just when you think you've peeled back the final layer of this cosmic mystery, a new twist emerges straight out of science fiction. Scientists using the James Webb Telescope recently picked up an unusual signal from Proxima B, an electromagnetic emission so complex and anomalous that it sparked whispers of a technosignature, a potential sign of intelligent life. For a brief moment, the world held its breath. Could this be the long-awaited evidence that we're not alone? And then, just as mysteriously as it arrived, the signal vanished. It never repeated, it left no trace. What was it? A fleeting alignment of cosmic forces? A strange natural phenomenon? Or was it something intentional, a signal, a message, or a footprint of something vastly more advanced? This one enigmatic moment reignited global curiosity and debate. Was this the beginning of a new chapter in our understanding of life in the universe, or just another mystery lost in the cosmos? And now, just as we're still processing this cosmic riddle, Harvard researchers are pushing the boundaries even further. They are repurposing the James Webb Telescope in a bold, new way, using it to search not just for natural signs of life, but for artificial light sources on distant planets. Imagine scanning the dark sides of exoplanets for the telltale glow of cities, luminescent evidence of civilizations illuminating their worlds against the night. This isn't just science, it's the start of a new era in space exploration. The implications are staggering. We're no longer just searching for life, we're looking for intelligent life. The kind that might be building, innovating, and perhaps, like us, reaching out into the cosmos. As we stand on the edge of discovery, staring into the cosmic unknown, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far more mysterious, intricate, and alive than we ever imagined. From Proxima B's haunting familiarity to signals that stir our imagination, each revelation brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? But this is just the beginning. The story of our search for life beyond Earth is still unfolding, with every new discovery promising to reshape our place in the cosmos. If this journey through space and science sparked your curiosity, don't forget to subscribe and join us as we explore the next great cosmic mystery, because out here, the universe always has more to say.